Presenting 30-ton crimping machine controlled by servo motor by Sai Paradise Machine Tools India Private Limited, Hyderabad, India.
The model of this machine is HF30 ton with crimp force monitor, safety door with sensor.
Hexagonal applicator is fixed in this machine now. Can use 10 square mm to 120 square mm in this machine for hexagonal crimping. To do crimping, insert the terminal into wire and keep it into applicator as shown in video. Press the paddle to run the machine. See if the safety door is opened anytime the machine will stop running, and the display shows safety door sensor error. To run the machine again, close the safety door and press OK on the screen. The error screen will goes off and machine will be ready to run. If any bad crimping done, then the machine will stop by CFM. The machine screen will show CFM error and the CFM screen color will get changed to red. Keep the bad crimping in rejection bin and press OK on the screen to remove the error window. As the OK is pressed, the CFM will get reset and ready for next operation. As when it's good crimping, the machine will be ready for next operation and CFM will show graph on white screen. Thanks for watching the video. Please contact Sai Paradise teams for any queries.